The realities of project financing, the timelines involved, and the sheer scale of projects mean that shipbuilders need to focus on the next milestone at hand. The best shipbuilders aim to see ROI on the current project, or even the current block about to be cut, no matter what. Your organization will certainly face market changes that fluctuate the amount of work at hand, investment decisions that require you to balance innovation with current realities, a variable project workload, and inconsistent departmental resources. When your teams are able to respond to market changes as needed, innovate without jeopardizing the projects at hand, align resources with what you need to get done, and achieve a quick ROI, then you can confidently focus on what you do best: shipbuilding. Explore SSI's solutions for the challenges shipbuilders face today.